Urban mobility continues to evolve, with the electrification of conventional bicycles being a notable development. The Spiny electric conversion kit offers a revolutionary solution, transforming any bicycle into a functional e-bike in just 5 minutes, without requiring tools or complex installation. Spiny is characterized by its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 2.2 kilograms, which facilitates transport and storage. This fully removable system, configurable via a mobile application, provides a range of up to 50 kilometers thanks to its 220 Wh battery, which recharges in 3 to 4 hours. These features make Spiny a practical option for both urban commutes and occasional excursions. A key advantage of the device is its broad compatibility. It adapts to any bicycle without permanent modifications. Installation, which takes between 2 and 15 minutes depending on the bicycle model, requires no additional tools, ensuring quick and clean integration. In terms of performance, Spiny complies with EU Regulation No. 168/2013, offering pedal assistance up to 250 W of power and a maximum speed of 25 km per hour. Its PedalX system ensures that assistance is activated only when the user pedals, maintaining a natural and safe experience. This intelligent assistance is optimized by wireless cadence and speed sensors, enhancing performance without direct cyclist intervention. Another notable feature is its portability. Being completely detachable, Spiny can be removed in seconds to prevent theft, be shared among multiple bicycles, or transported on an airplane, provided battery regulations are followed. This versatility significantly expands its potential uses, adapting any bicycle to various mobility scenarios.